Hey, Kevin here at Lifestyle Cycles. Stay tuned as I go through all the options and features of the two Aquatic AV head units. All right, so today we're going to talk about the Aquatic head units, both the 5UBT and the 5BT. Great bulletproof radios. It's kind of near and dear to my heart because, back in the day when I had my own company manufacturing detachable fairings, we used to have a radio made for us for those fairings and the factory touring bikes. Those radios ended up having some problems, and I started using Aquatic AV's universal radios for the detachable fairings. At some point, I went to Bob, the owner of Aquatic AV, and said, "Hey Bob, I need a radio for the factory fairing bikes. It's killing me. I've lost all these sales." So Bob and I sat down and we created an idea to where he was able to make a radio for both the universal market and the spa world and everything, which is a really big market for him. But then he took that same appearance, changed some electronics inside, put the Harley connectors on it, and now it was completely plug and play to work with all the factory hand controls and everything else. That was back in 2011. We've sold a ton of these. I was actually really happy that I was able to bring this stuff in here to Lifestyle Cycles because we've sold a ton of these at my old company. It's a great, tried and true, damn near bulletproof radio that you can throw in. It just plugs in. You don't have to have any special knowledge. There's no specialty about it. This one is the entry level, the 5BT. It's got a really cool feature of removable faceplate. It's got a USB charger on the inside of it, so if you need to put your phone inside and charge it, you can. It does not transfer data though, so it will not play thumb drives and you can't plug your phone into it. Then you just pop the faceplate back on. You make sure you hear 2 clicks, that way it's on there nice and tight. This one has the monochromatic screen, that way you can see it no matter what the glare is or anything like that. So this will fit any factory fairing bike from 1996 through 2013. Now to the 96 and the 97, I do make an extra special plug that converts the older style connectors on that bike, but you 96, 97 guys, you can now have this radio. It's AM, FM, Bluetooth, it's got an auxiliary input on the back of it, so if you've got the old 96 through 2005 cassette player, throw that sucker in the trash. If you've got the 06 to 13 CD player that just has an aux cord, terrible sound quality. This is true Bluetooth. It's got 2-volt RCA outputs. You can add an amplifier to it really easy. And one of the coolest things that I really like about this radio, it's waterproof. So now that we got that out of the way, let's switch over to the upgraded head unit that they've got, the 5UBT, and I'll go over the options for that. So we took the 5BT radio out. I'll show you how easy this goes in. Plug it in with the factory connector. I'll come back, I'll put the 4 bolts in that hold it on the side, same way the stock radio came out, or the one that we just took out, and it lights right up. All right, now you can see we've got the 5UBT installed into the radio. This is a full color screen. It can actually be in a white mode or a dark mode, your preference. With both radios, they actually have a dimmer feature if this is too bright for you while you're riding at night. So let's go through some of the options on this radio. We can go into our menu. I can choose my audio, Bluetooth. I can go into my system settings or the EQ. We'll go back to Bluetooth. One of the cool features on this is I can actually toggle through all of my different sources right here on the screen, from my radio to my Bluetooth to my satellite radio. I've got all my hand control functionality, change songs. Everybody's always wondering, do the hand controls work? Absolutely, no extra modules, no extra harnesses, it's directly plug and play. All right, some other cool features on this radio that's a little bit better than the 5BT. When this radio face comes off, it actually has a tray that comes out. You can open it up. These little jaws here will actually ratchet down and hold your phone. This USB on the inside, you can plug your phone into and charge it, but this will also transmit data. So you can actually play music from the phone or put a thumb drive in there. Another nice feature of the 5UBTs, it comes with a secondary faceplate. When you're away from your bike, you can actually just throw this on there. It clips in just like the radio, and it has a really nice trim piece that just sits in there when you're away from your bike, so you don't have to worry about somebody stealing your investment. All right, guys, To sum it up, these are the two Aquatic AV head units. I've loved them since 2011, since they came out. You've got to get one of these. Get rid of your cassette player, get rid of your CD player with an aux cord, terrible quality sound. This has got 4-volt RCA outputs, plugs into an amplifier, or just run deck power if you want. It's got more than double the power all by itself than what your factory Harley radio did. So if you don't do anything else but this, it's going to be louder and cleaner going down the road. But keep in mind, if you want to be able to hear it at 80, 90 miles an hour, an amplifier is always recommended. Aquatic AV also has a full line of amplifiers, speakers, 6x9 cut-in kits, amplifier brackets, everything you need to complete your installation. If you buy the complete kit from us here at Lifestyle Cycles, we actually turn them into 100% plug and play for you. So there's a reason that you want to come to Lifestyle Cycles. And when you buy from Lifestyle Cycles, anything you purchase from us, you get 5% in megabucks towards future purchases. And for orders over 50 bucks, you get free shipping. Order yours today and enjoy some nice upgraded sound system on your bike. If you got any questions, feel free to reach out to me, Kevin, or anyone here on the team. We'll put a kit together for you.
Well, wait, don't go anywhere until you like and subscribe to make sure you get notified every time we post our how-to videos, our product reviews, and all of our amazing interviews with your favorite racers and industry icons. I'll see you guys next time.